16-gauge thickness. This 16-gauge copper speaker wire offers very easy connection for speakers to amplifiers or receivers. The thickness is just enough for resistance and electrical flow without the risk of overheating. Cut as desired. The wire can be cut as desired for specific installation needs. If the plastic jacket is removed, the wire can be left bare or use wire crimp accessories to connect to stereo and speakers. Undistorted signal. Made with plastic jacket surrounding the speaker wire to help deliver high-quality undistorted signals to and from all of connected audio equipment. This also helps with insulation. Polarity mark. There's a red mark outlined on one side of the cable wire. Its purpose is to easily distinguish the polarity and help properly set up any audio stereo, surround sound system, TV home theater and even a car. 500 FT convenient dispense. This very long 500 feet speaker wire is neatly wrapped around a hard plastic spool for easy and convenient dispensing. It can be used without hassle and instantly too. 16-gauge 500 feet spool of high-quality speaker zip wire. Top reviews from the United States. 7 spools good, 1 oops. I have purchased at least a half dozen of these, so far they are excellent, but the last one had a 1-inch gap in the spool, inside the insulation about 96 feet from the end. Obviously, once it's installed, it is a pain to fix that situation. I will keep trying them because they are a good price and work well. Hopefully my defective spool was just a fluke.